If you're building a new WordPress website, don't make the mistake of launching it without these plugins. I've worked on multiple WordPress websites, and these are the first 5 plugins I install before any website goes live. These plugins help with security, speed, SEO, design, and backups. Basically everything you need to build a professional website. Let's get started. The first plugin is WordFence Security. Think of WordFence as a security guard for your website. Every day, thousands of WordPress websites are targeted by bots, brute force login attempts, and malware attacks. WordFence helps protect your website with features like firewall protection, malware scanning, login security, real-time threat detection. Even if your website is small, security should never be ignored. That's why WordFence is always one of the first plugins I install. The second plugin is Lightspeed Cache. A slow website can hurt both user experience and SEO rankings. Lightspeed Cache helps improve your website speed by page caching, image optimization, CSS and JavaScript optimization, database cleanup. If your hosting provider supports Lightspeed servers, this plugin can make a huge difference in loading speed. And we all know that faster websites usually get better conversions and happier visitors. The third plugin is Rank Math SEO. No matter how good your website looks, people need to find it on Google. Rank Math helps optimize your website for search engines by providing SEO score analysis, XML sitemaps, schema markup, keyword optimization, AI-powered SEO features. One thing I really like is that Rank Math includes many features in the free version that other SEO plugins often keep behind a paywall. If you're serious about getting organic traffic, Rank Math is a must-have. The fourth plugin is Elementor. If you don't know coding, Elementor can save you a lot of time. It's a drag-and-drop page builder that allows you to create landing pages, home pages, service pages, sales pages, without writing a single line of code. You can simply drag elements, customize designs, and build professional-looking pages in minutes. That's why Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress plugins in the world. The fifth plugin is Updraft Plus. This plugin handles one of the most important things that website owners often forget: backups. Imagine spending months building a website and then losing everything because of a hosting issue, plugin conflict, or accidental mistake. Updraft Plus lets you create automatic backups, store backups on Google Drive, restore your website with a few clicks. Having a backup means peace of mind. Even if something goes wrong, you can quickly recover your website. So before launching your WordPress website, make sure you have these 5 plugins installed. If you're using a different plugin that you think should be on this list, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.